Hi all. Today I would like to talk about how can we install burpsuite Pro in our laptop. I am installing in Ubuntu. You can install in whatever operating system like Kali or any Linux distro you have. You can also install it in Windows, but right now I'm only showing the Ubuntu or Linux version. Right now I'm only showing in Ubuntu, but you can also install in Kali Linux or whichever Linux distros you as you want. So let's begin. First of all, we have to download the file which I have provided in the description. And next, let's go to the terminal, and we can see this is the downloaded file for Bubsuit. And I'm going to unzip it. The password is 31136, I guess. So the password is 31138, and it's right now extracting. And yeah, it may take a few seconds. I will see you guys after it's completed. Yeah, currently it's right now it's have completed the extraction. As you can see, it's uh, copied right in the desktop. So let me move it into another directory. Okay, uh, uh, let me go to the directory. Yeah, as you can see, um, we have several files, including about the Java file. And the next thing we have to do is mm, type like this Java hyphen jar dot loader. So we don't have Java installed. So let me install. Right now I have installed the Java JDK by using this command. If you don't have JDK installed by default, then you can install it with this command. And after that, mm, run this command to load the bug loader. So we can see uh, the bug key generator. We can either download the latest version or continue with the current version. If you want to download the latest version, just click the link here. Uh, right now, I'm not going to install it. I will mm, later on. I will create a video, or I will create it after doing this. So I'm going to click the run. I don't know why, but it doesn't seem to come up. Let me check real quick. So let me try it again one more time. As you can see, it has popped up after that. Um, mm, we copy the text from here and paste it over here. click next, and we click manual activation. And after that, we copy the request and paste it over here. Then something, the activation response will be generated here, and we copy that and paste it over here. And its license, the license is activated, and that's it. That's it. That, like, we have installed the burpsuite pro version. So you can see here, it's the expiry date of the license is 2099. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.